Hello parents and welcome back to your Google Classroom. First of all, I'd like to just say a big thank you for all those parents who were able to send us your wonderful videos and pictures of the wonderful learning that your children are doing. It was really lovely to see that. This whole week we have been learning all about shapes, and we've been really thinking about 2D or what we call flat shapes. And the children have been thinking about the properties of the shape in order to know what it's called. So we are going to have a look at some of these shapes, and I want you to help me identify what the shape is called and how I know it's that shape. So what's the properties of that shape? So let's start over here. I've just found a simple Duplo block, and I want you not to look at the inside of the Duplo block, but the outsides of it. What shape is this? Did you say rectangle? Well done if you said it's a rectangle. Now, how do you know it's a rectangle? Okay, let's think about the properties. A rectangle has got two long sides. Do you see these sides here? They're long. Two long sides. And then it's got two short sides here. So when we count all the sides of a rectangle, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 sides altogether, but it's a rectangle because 2 of the sides are long and 2 of the sides are short. And let's see how many pointy corners it has. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I know it's a rectangle because it's got 4 pointy corners and 2 long and 2 short sides. So that's a rectangle. Thank you for helping with that. Let's look at another shape now. Okay, so this comes from our sand tray. It's a sieve that we use for our sand tray. And we're just looking at this part of the sieve. What shape is this? Did you say it's a triangle? Well done if you said triangle. And how do we know? What's the properties of a triangle? A triangle has got 1, 2, 3 sides, and it has 1, 2, 3 pointy corners. So that's how I know it's a triangle. Okay, well done if you were able to get that. The next shape. So this is just a tissue box. But if we look again at this part of the tissue box, what shape is this? Did you say it's a square? Well done if you said there's a square. How do I know it's a square? I know it's a square because of its properties. A square has got 1, 2, 3, 4 sides, but all the sides are the same length. This side isn't longer than this side. It's all the same length. That's how I know this is a square. Let's count the pointy corners. 1, 2, 3, 4. And it's got 4 pointy corners. Right, and now we've got these shapes here. Now, I thought I will show you 2 different examples because we've got this shape, which goes all the way around. It's called a circle. Well done. And we also have some circles inside here as well. And it goes all the way around. Now, how do we know it's a circle? Because a circle has got just one side that goes all the way round. Does a circle have any pointy corners? Is there any sharp pointy corners? No. So it has no corners and one circle that goes, one side that goes all the way around. Now your challenge for today is going to be to go around your house and look for a rectangle, a triangle, a square, and a circle. And then I want you, your parents, to take pictures of the different shapes you found. But it would be nice to get videos so that we can hear you talk about the properties for us. So you can say to us, I know it's a circle because it's got one side that goes all the way around. So I look forward to seeing all your beautiful videos and pictures.